Got lick mats for my dogs. And my little pug never seen them before, so this is their first time. Oh, she likes it. Little Nora, Dino, Sadie. My little pug puppy. I put little salmon paste all over the lick mat. Then I can go about and do my chores without my dogs following me. She's impressed. 13-week-old Nora Jane, 10-year-old Tino, and 13-year-old Sadie in the back there, my black pug. Lick mats are a good way to keep them busy. Put anything on there. See a little baby, Tino. Behind you, look. Look at Sadie right there. Look at Sadie right there. Oh, oh Sadie growling. Okay, here, go back to that. I love you, my girl.